Hi, this is Travel-In's new 1989 Airstream 25-foot Excella, twins in the rear. Just got it home, put it in the shed. We're going to start working on it probably tomorrow, cleaning up the outside. We'll just walk around the outside, show you some things we need to get for it. One of the solar guards, didn't have it when we got it. I want to put some rock panels on the bottom, cover up some of the bumps and bruises that it already has and protect it from the future. Need to upgrade this a bit. No top on it. Don't know what I'm going to do about that. Make one or find one. Like I said, get a rock guard for that side. It's got a nice blue stripe on it. Gives it that 1980s look. Windows are all in good condition. Got to reseal. Probably I'm going to reseal the whole thing actually. Got a good awning. It's in real good shape. I just pulled it out a little while ago. I think it needs a spring on it to help it go back in. All the aluminum on this side looks real good. On the other side's probably been more exposed to the sun. We'll see that when we get around there. It needs some polishing or whatnot. But all this sticker's got to be replaced. We'll do that. It'll be one of the last things we do. Hot water heater. Oh, we're going to do some new wheels and tires. Looking for the aluminum ones. And I'll have to redo the bearings. Hopefully the axles are in good shape. It pulled home. We pulled it about 30 miles home the other night. It did fine. Haven't tested the water tanks, but hopefully they're in good shape. No leaks. We'll hook it up to some water and see what happens here in a few days. Good storage underneath one of the beds. It's got an interior light, but I think the bulbs burn out. There's plenty of storage. There's a water filter go there. Doesn't have one on it right now. That all needs to be recaulked. All the lights on the outside work, but I want to put all LED lights throughout the whole thing, save the batteries. But you can see where this been siliconed. I'm gonna have to redo all that. It was probably leaking. Same thing up here. This has all been done after it was purchased. All the way up the top. I'm gonna spend some time tomorrow cleaning all this off, trying to get it resealed. I'm gonna pressure wash the whole thing. Probably hadn't had a real good bath in a long time, but as you can see, the sticker's got to be totally replaced. I don't know if it goes underneath that Excella. We'll polish it up. Don't think we're going to do the mirror polish. Just going to get a nice clean looking aluminum. You can see the clear coat where it's coming off there. Got a nice, the awning's in really good shape. A little dirty at the very beginning. We pulled it out before we bought it, but it's no rips or tears. Might be a little thin in some spots. Some more storage underneath the other bed. A lot of storage in there. See if this light goes on. Nope, light don't come on. Plus nest there. Some plugs. There's the water tank. Water reservoir. Same thing, new wheels and tires here. We'll go inside, take a look at it. Should have the lights on. Got a front gaucho bed that's been replaced with a homemade one. So all this is going to come out. Not sure what we're going to do in here. We got plenty of time to figure that out. It's got a nice cassette player. I haven't even turned it on, but I'm sure we'll update that. This end cap, or whatever you want to call it, is a nice yellow. Not crazy about the yellow. We're going to redo that. Fold away table. As you can tell, there's a bit of damage, a soft spot in the floor here. I didn't realize that until we got it home after we made the purchase. So all these floors are going to come out, and we'll put some probably luxury vinyl tile. We did that in our other trailer, and we were happy with it. Countertops, we're going to update these. Probably go with a Corian or something light, and just modernize it a bit. Do something with the backsplash here. I thought this was all aluminum, but it's just wallpaper on wood. I don't know what we'll do. Probably them stick-on decorative tiles. Air conditioner works. Don't know what we're going to do about it. Worked fine the other day. Maybe we'll keep it. It's got a new refrigerator. It's in good shape. Doesn't really fit the decor. being black, but I think it'll be fine. Microwave. This is definitely not 1983. This looks like a 98 model. And our bathroom. Turn some of these lights on. Look at that bathroom. That bathroom is in great shape. Needs some updating. There's tile floor in here. I don't know if that was the way it came, or it looks like somebody put that in there, but we'll take it all out. Hopefully there's no wood rot underneath it. Plenty of storage in this bathroom. Look at all that storage. Medicine cabinet back there. I won't open that, but all this nice wood velour. All the cabinets are oak. I think they're red oak. So I'm not sure what we're going to do about those, but they need to be refinished of some sort. I would like them a bit lighter. I don't know. We got some time to think about what we're going to do with this. But it's got the twin beds. These are oversized. I'm not sure what size beds you'd call these, but they're not the size that came with it. And he had a like a shelf built on it, so it tightened it up a little bit. But plenty of room to sleep in. There was a nightstand that usually came with these. That's been removed. Don't know where it is. Didn't get it. But both these beds are. What size bed do you think this is? A twin?
Yeah.
Versus the whatever was in it before, the standard bed. But plenty of storage. This will get us across the country. We're going to do 49 states in this thing one day. Maybe not in one day, but in before it's all said and done. That's my plan. Cedar line cabinet. Shouldn't have a moth problem. But look at all that storage we have in there. And we can go on the roof. I can't squeeze by. Got some access to get to some vents, probably the forced heated air. And a little privacy. Look at that. That is in good shape. I don't think this was used much. It's just loaded with dust on top of it. The pantry. Plenty of cans or whatever you want to put in there. More storage up here. Plates or something. Mention the yeah, it's got our all this works. Batteries being charged right now. Fresh tank, all this hopefully works. Nothing in the black tank, thank goodness. Fan is not working. I don't know if it tripped the fuse, but it started up yesterday or the other day when I messed with it. More cabinets. This one here, this hinge is busted. So we're going to pull all these out and at least refinish them or paint them. Not exactly sure. Put new hardware on it. That one needs some work. But yeah, it's going to be fun doing this. The other half to the travel lens, she's got a lot of interior designing and work to do. I'll take care of the outside. I'll let her handle the inside. So we'll update you later. See ya.